Welcome to our super brilliant order form for people buying ready-to-wear clothing and sending it to wherever they want and getting the correct size without loads of returns. It's a really simple process. All you have to do is use our order form, go through the system. We'll explain as you go down the system how to use it. Send it wherever you like. They will get a copy of your measurements and a link to the system, so everybody's working from the same sheet, cuts out lots of mistakes. It's a completely free to use sheet. We have got a more advanced sheet, which is our made to measure sheet, which is sending a tailor for a made to measure order. You may want to use that one, but if it's simple, it's a ready to wear garment, stay on this sheet. All I ask you to do is like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much for watching. And as I say, just follow me down. I'll be there to walk you through the form as you go down it, and we'll work through it together. Looking forward to doing it with you. Cheers.